ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ द्वादशोऽध्यायः भक्तियोगः। अद्वेष्टा सर्वभूतानां मैत्रः करुण एव च निर्ममो निरहङ्कारः समदुःखसुखः क्षमी। सन्तुष्टः सततं योगी यतात्मा दृढनिश्चयः मय्यर्पितमनो बुद्धिः यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः। यस्मान्नो द्विजते लोको लोकान्नो द्विजते च यः हर्षामर्षभयोद्वेगैः मुक्तो यः स च मे प्रियः। अनपेक्षः शुचिर्दक्षः उदासीनो गतव्यथः सर्वारम्भपरित्यागी यो मद्भक्तः स मे प्रियः। यो न हृष्यति न द्वेष्टि न शोचति न काङ्क्षति शुभाशुभपरित्यागी भक्तिमान्यः स मे प्रियः। यह one who na neither hrishyati rejoices, na nor dveshti hates, na nor shochati grieves, na nor kankshati desires, shubha good or auspicious, ashubha evil or inauspicious, parityagi renounced, bhaktiman full of love or devotion, yah who sah that person, may to me, priyah dear. समशत्रौ च मित्रे च तथा मानापमानयोः शीतोष्णसुखदुःखेषु समसङ्गविवर्जितः। समः equal, shatrau foe, cha and mitre to friend, cha and tatha so also, mana honor, apamanayoh in dishonor, shita cold, ushna heat, sukha happiness, dukkheshu in distress, samaha equipoised, sanga vivarjitaha free from attachment or association. तुल्य निंदास्तुतिर्मौनी सन्तुष्टो येन केनचित् अनिकेतस्थिरमतिः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः तुल्य equal निंदा blame or defamation, स्तुतिः praise, मौनी who is silent, संतुष्टः contented, येन केनचित् by whatever comes, अनिकेतः has no residence, sthira steady, matihi mind, intellect or determination, bhaktiman full of devotion, me to me, priyah dear, narah person. ये तु धर्मामृतमिदम् यथोक्तं पर्युपासते श्रद्धाना मत्परमा भक्तास्तेतीव मे प्रियाः। ये those who, tu indeed, dharma law or wisdom, amritam immortal, idam this, yatha as, uktam declared, paryupasate completely engaged in, shraddha dhanaha with faith or sincerity, mat paramaha taking me as the supreme or everything, bhaktaha devoted, te such ones, ativa exceedingly, me to me, priyaha dear. Being of equanimous disposition, the ones most dear to the Lord neither exult nor despair in the face of pleasure, pain, loss or gain. Their intellect is firmly fixed on God. They are untouched by praise or censure and relate to friends and foes alike. Being constantly in good company, they are ever content, meditative and devoid of worldly attachments. One who neither rejoices, hates, grieves, nor desires is renounced of both auspicious and inauspicious and is full of love. Such a one is dear to me. One who is equal to friend and foe, equipoised in honor and dishonor, cold and heat, happiness and distress, free from unnecessary association, who is equal in both praise and blame, who is silent, contented with whatever comes, has no attachment to residence, steady-minded and full of devotion, such a person is dear to me. And indeed, those who completely engage in this immortal dharma as declared with faith and sincerity, taking me as everything and devoted to me, such ones are exceedingly dear to me. यो न हृष्यति न द्वेष्टि न शोचति न काङ्क्षति शुभाशुभपरित्यागी भक्तिमान्यः स मे प्रियः। समशत्रौ च मित्रे च तथा मानापमानयोः शीतोष्णसुखदुःखेषु समस्संगविवर्जितः तुल्यनिन्दास्तुतिर्मौनी सन्तुष्टो येन केनचित् अनिकेतस्थिरमतिः भक्तिमान् मे प्रियो नरः। ये तु धर्मामृतमिदं यथोक्तं पर्युपासते श्रद्दधाना मत्परमा भक्तास्तेतीव मे प्रियाः। ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे भक्तियोगो नाम 12ोऽध्यायः। श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु।